Add olive oil a half cup. Add chopped onion 1. Fry on medium flame until golden brown. Add tomatoes paste 1 cup. Cook well 4 minutes till oil separates. Add ginger, garlic, green chili paste half cup. Fry 2 minutes. Now add masala. Salt as required. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder 1 tablespoon. Mix it well. Now add chicken 1 kilogram. Cook on medium flame until color change. Cover and cook 4 minutes. Add 1 glass water. Add shaljam turnips 1 to gg. Add green chili 3. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Cover and cook on low flame 30 minutes. Sprinkle green coriander. Ready to serve. Thanks for watching.